Hey guys, welcome back to the shop with Mr. Vintage. We got our old Ford 2N tractor from somewhere between 1944 and 1947-ish. We bought this tractor for $1,500. Unfortunately, we kind of got screwed on it. But you know, that happens. That's buying and selling. Before we can put it to work, we got to rebuild the transmission and the hydraulics, a couple little things to address on the engine, but with that, we got to get it stripped down and broken in two. So, quick wave of our magic wrench here. Bibbity, bobbity, boo. All right. Well, if only it were really that easy, but you know, we'll spare you the nitty gritty and get right into our transmission and our parts. All right, we're back together. So let's take her out for a little spin and see what she does. got a runner. Hydraulics work, bucket works, everything works. Pretty happy with it. You know, there's some things about the 9N that are a little lackluster, but you know, it's also not a $15,000 to $25,000 used medium duty brand new compact tractor. So I think we've got, probably cost me about $1,000 to do everything I done to it. So for 2,500 bucks into it, I think she's gonna make us a good running, using tractor for a good little while. Thanks for coming along with me, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, really helps us out. And look forward to seeing you again in the shop real soon. Thanks, guys.